बिल्डिंग को देखकर काम नहीं करना चाहिए, जिम्मेदारी को देखकर काम करने की बहुत बड़ी जरूरत है।
Do you also feel that this is an insult to the President of India as the opposition has been claiming?
No, I am of the opinion that what the opposition parties, the so-called opposition parties, the so-called secular parties, who in their view I am an untouchable, political untouchable, they are saying President, but they forget, they are talking about Article 79. I am talking about Article 53(1), which says the executive power of a union shall be vested in the President and shall be exercised directly or through officers subordinate to him in accordance with this Constitution. So President is part of executive. That is why I have been saying that it is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha who is the custodian of the Parliament, and the theory of separation of powers clearly tells us that legislature is independent of executive and judiciary, and in the theory of separation of powers is part of the basic structure of our Constitution. The Prime Minister should not enter into the domain of legislature. The judiciary cannot enter into domain of legislature, and vice versa, legislature cannot enter into domain of executive or the judiciary. That is part of the basic structure of the Constitution. So I still hope that the Prime Minister of this country would show his large-heartedness, will show his love for the Constitution. As a true constitutionalist, if he is, then he should allow the Lok Sabha Speaker to inaugurate the new Parliament. And if he does, then of course MIM will be there. But if the Parliament is hell-bent on inaugurating because he wants to inaugurate everything, because the BJP believes that nothing happened before 2014, if the Prime Minister does that, then we will be compelled to not to attend that function. But please remember that in 2019, the first all-party meeting which was held after the Lok Sabha results had come out, I had demanded that a new Parliament building should come up, and I am sure that the Lok Sabha or the Prime Minister office must be having those minutes. I had raised this issue.
सर, यहाँ पे भी अब इलेक्शन होने वाले हैं, आप भी ताबड़तोड़ इनॉग्रेशन कर रहे हैं, भी जा रहे हैं,
हाँ।
तो क्या MIM शुरू कर दिया यहाँ का?
देखिए, इलेक्शन के लिए तैयारी करना ये MIM की फितरत में नहीं है। अवाम की खिदमत करना 24 घंटे ये MIM की मिजाज में है, ये MIM की सोच में, MIM की फितरत है। इसीलिए कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का दफ्तर इतना बड़ा नहीं है दारुस्सलाम की तरह, जहां पर हफ्ते में 6 दिन बगैर किसी की रोक टोक के 6-7 MLAs, 1 MP, 2 MLC, पूरे कॉरपोरेटर्स MIM के मेंबर बैठे रहते, अवाम की खिदमत के लिए। जनता आती यहां पर, जनता दरबार में अपना काम करा के जाती। तो इलेक्शन की तैयारी वो पार्टी करते हैं जो 4.5 साल सोते रहते हैं, अवाम की खिदमत नहीं करते, और इलेक्शन से 6 महीने पहले, जैसा हम उर्दू में हैदराबाद में बोलते, बासी कड़ी को उबाल आ गया, तो उस तरह के काम करते। हम लोग 5 साल दबा के देख को गर्म रखते।